Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and today we are reviewing the Smart Gamepad U6. So what I'll do is I'll open this up so we can have a look at what's inside the box. Let's get the lid off here right now. The lid's off. There's the pad. We'll have a look at this in a moment. There's a little bit of foam thing underneath to protect it. Got your instructions manual, and you've got the USB cable, which is not the USB-C but the micro USB old type, which is a bit unfortunate. Let's have a look at the gamepad itself. So as you can see, it looks quite slick. It's got the trackpad here, it's got the keypad here, and also obviously you can use it as a gamepad as well. It's got the A, B, X, Y buttons, two joysticks here. It's got the D-pad, it's got a few buttons here, start, enter 1, enter 2, back select, the keypad here, and then it's got a few buttons here. You can see you've got your volumes and things like that. I'll give you a demo of this, how all this works later on in the video. Just having a quick look at all the buttons here. On the shoulder it's got two more trigger buttons, at the back it's got a couple of other trigger buttons here. Up here you've got the 3.5mm jack, so you can connect that up to a headphone, and there's a charging port here. I'm not sure you can see it in the video, but there's a little slot here where it picks up the mic. At the back, if I open this up, you can see the charger that it uses. If you know your Nokias, then you know it uses the old Nokia battery, which is the BL5C. It comes with a USB RF transmitter. Stop that. So it comes with, what you do is put this in your source that you want to use it on, so it might be your TV, your PC, your laptop, whatever. Connect it up, power up your gamepad, and it should power on, and then depending on what kind of device you're connected up to, you'd select which one you want to use. So at the moment it won't select anything because it's not connected up, but that's how it looks like. Pretty cool. Right, so what I'm going to do now is give you a demo of the gamepad working with the PC. So what I've done at the moment is I've got the little USB stick that I had. I've connected that to the tower, and that picked up my gaming pad. I turned the device on, it's an on and off switch, and then I've selected the Windows icon, so now it's all ready to go. So if I just go into Google, and then what I'll do is use a trackpad, select that, got my keypad here. As you can see, let's type in something. Let's go to, I don't know what I've done, 7. Let's go to here, BBC News. Let's see what Boris Johnson's saying. Press enter, it's working here. Select BBC. So as you can see, the trackpad's working, and it also selects the, if you tap on it, it's a left key button that is working as well. You've got the button here as well you can use if you want to select it. So you've got the left here, you've got the right here, you've got back. If you're using media, you can use forward, backwards, play button. You've got your buttons for the mic and headphones, volume up, volume down. So that's all working, as you can see here. Up, down, yep, going up, going down. Let's go back to the keyboard. You've got the search. Does that do anything? No. Menu, so it gives you your menu here, as you can see. Press that again. Let's go back. Oh. You've got your left click as well, so select that. One con on this icon is that even though the trackpad and everything works, it would have been nice being able to use the joystick to maneuver, but I think those buttons are reserved for the gaming. So if you're playing your Xbox, you can connect up to that. I'll show you that actually. So you've got your icons here. I'm not sure you can see that you've got your Android, so you can connect to your Android box, Windows, Xbox, and you've got your audio. So at the moment, because it's connected to PC, you can't select the icon because it's not a Xbox or it's not an Android device. You've got other buttons here, start, select. So you start, enter 1, back, and enter 2. Let's see if those work, if they're reserved. So no, they're not working. So yeah, this is the device. Everything all working fine. Space moves it. That does stuff. Menu. So yeah, cool. I now have the controller connected up to my smart TV. My smart TV isn't Android. If it was, it would have had a lot more functionalities that would have been working. However, as you can see, the keypad is still working as expected. So it's going into google.co.uk. The trackpad working fine, able to navigate around the screen. So go into Google website and just pressing all the other little buttons, so volume up and volume down working as normal. And then you've got all the other keys as well, so I haven't tested all the other stuff out purely because I wouldn't be using it on my TV, but I just wanted to demo this working. So guys, what I've done now is I've connected up my control pad to a PS4. Unfortunately, I don't have an Xbox One, so I won't be able to show the full functionality of the gamepad working. If I did have the Xbox, then I could have used the actual gamepad to play games. With the PS4, this gamepad is not compatible, but it has some limited functions, which I'll show you now. So you can easily, at the moment, use the keypad to type stuff in. So let's try something. Let's try BBC again. bbcnews.com, and then hit the enter. At the moment, this is quite tricky to use because obviously I'm not used to using this keypad, but as time goes on, it will get probably a lot easier as you use it more. So as you can see, the keypad is working. However, things like the joystick is not working, the trackpad is not working, all the other stuff is not working. Let's try the volume up. Those are stuff not working. So at the moment, the only things that are working is the keypad itself, which is a bit of a shame because it would have been a very nice product to use with your PS4. So something just happened. So some of the buttons are working, some of them not. So that's the controller working with the PS4.